Hi there, it's Manal from Mini Craft Boutique. Thank you for watching the tutorial today. Today I'm going to be showing you how you're going to make such type of paper flowers, and they look really pretty on gift bags, on different card projects, or however you may use them. So I have created many different designs, and these measure approximately 1.5 inches in diameter, and this one is 1.25 inches, and this one again is roughly between 1.25 and 1.5 inches. So it all depends on how thicker and how fuller you like the flower to be. It's entirely up to you. For a less fuller flower you may use less layers, and for a much thicker and fuller flower you can use more layer, as I have used in this flower. So I'll be showing you how to make this flower. So for this flower I have cut out 6 layers of a bilobed 5 petal flower. Okay, and in each flower what I'm going to do is, in every single notch I'm going to further cut it down up to near the center of the flower, just to give it a room to be molded into shape. Alright, and now with the help of your tweezers, what you're going to do is you're going to just tightly grab one lobe of each petal and you're going to twist it, literally twist it, and this is how you're going to get the shape. And you're going to do this for all the 6 layers. Each petals, both lobes are to be twisted like so. I'm going to do this once or twice in front of you, and then I will just speed up the process so you can watch it. So this is how you're going to twist, and as you can see, the curl on the petals is giving it the shape already. So it's very important that you hold the tweezers really firmly and twist it properly. Alright, so this is how you're going to keep on twisting and giving shape to the petals. Okay. So we are done with all the twisting and the crinkling of the petals. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take it and just scrunch up all the petals of the flower and just give them a little tight push. I'm going to repeat this with all the layers like so. You see, it's already looking like the center of this flower. The curling of the petals or the crinkling of the petals doesn't have to be perfect, because you know the natural, the look of the flower and the pretty it will look. Okay, so to give the flower this shape, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to slightly open one of the layers and hold the other one in the same way, and I'm going to put hot glue at its base and just put it in the middle and try to offset the petals. Okay, and give it slight push, so that, and keep just pushing your petals up. Now the next layer, this is how you're going to keep on building your floral layers. And as you get towards the center of the flower, it's going to get compact or tighter in the center, but that's how the flower is going to look, and that is the beauty of the flower. So as you move towards the center, just crunch up your petals a little bit more and keep on adding in the layers. And the last one is going to go inside this. So you see, it's pretty easy and really very less time taking flower. Now once you're done with all the layers, what you're going to do is just give it a little scrunch again. Now I haven't added anything to the centers of these flowers because I will have to look which project I'm going to use them on. If I need to add silver centers or golden centers, it's entirely up to me according to the project that I'm working on. So these ones I've added and finished these with some Nuvo drops and brad in the center, but it's totally up to you, it's entirely up to you. So I hope you've liked today's video. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting and fun tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.